Hi folks, here we are coming into the beautiful town of Cobh from Cork Harbour on the spirit of Doolin. This boat right here. Lovely scenes. You can see St. Colman's Cathedral right in front of you with the high steeple, the highest cathedral, highest church in Ireland. Really is beautiful, phenomenal. So Cobh, beautiful town, and obviously the last port of call for the Titanic. You can see over the Titanic Museum over there as well. Tells the story of the 123 passengers that boarded the Titanic from here, Cobh. They left from Heartbreak Pier, right beside the museum there, and they boarded a boat, a ferry, and were ferried out to Roach's Point, about 2 kilometres out in Cork Harbour, where the Titanic was moored, and they went from there. This was on April the 11th, 1912. 3 days later, in 1914, it hit an iceberg. 1,500 people lost their lives. 44 out of the 123 survived that boarded from Cork right here. Most of those that died were in 3rd class and perished. You got there the Commodore Hotel, one of the oldest hotels, not just in Cobh or in Cork, but in Ireland. The blue building, Commodore Hotel, stunning building. Very, very windy and cold out here today. It's a very cold March day, March winds as well, but the scenes are just glorious. As I say, there you have the Titanic Museum. I'm going to turn the camera around just to show you. We got Spike Island over here, the largest Victorian prison in either Ireland or England. Was right here at Spike Island. They ferry across, so you can do a tour right there. There's a bastion fort there as well, called Fort Mitchell. Yeah, Spike Island. That's Crosshaven over there as well.
In between there, you'll see Crosshaven between Hallbolan and Spike.
Between Hallbolan and Spike, you have Crosshaven.
Spike, then you'll be coming. The headland on the left-hand side is Carlisle Fort Davis.
Carlisle Fort Davis.
So that's like 65% of all that is underground.
Yeah. Oh, I want to get this shot right here. This is
that's
just magnificent.
There.
This is the best shot of Cobh right here. I can see the beautiful, colourful homes as well. Nearly every building is a different colour. But have a look at the beautiful steeple and the beautiful St. Colman's Church. Built on high ground, looking over the town of Cobh. Absolutely breathtaking views. It really is beautiful. It's a pity it wasn't sunshine and blue skies out today. It's cloudy, but still you can see it, folks. It really is fantastic. It's a beautiful sight.
Pontoon is where the passengers left from on the tenders of the Titanic.
The Heartbreak
pontoon.
Heartbreak Pier. Yeah, they named that pier Heartbreak Pier, obviously.
It's Spy Hill up there where you see the houses like the deck of
cards. Yeah, the deck of cards, yeah. It was up all there yesterday to tell that story. Dulux Paints actually painted them all last year.
They did, yeah,
for free, like for an advertisement or whatever. But the residents got a free painting of their homes, which is great. Beautiful scenes here, folks, here in the lovely, lovely town of Cobh. And as I say, the last port of call for the Titanic. Stunning, some great restaurants here, seafood restaurants. Let's say you get fresh fish coming in here every day. Some really nice shops and bars, some great bars, and also a lot of traditional Irish music bars as well. Rob Roy's, they have all the musicians, they have trad music in there, Rob Roy's and some of the other Kellys I think as well. Really great spot.
You look out now, you see Roach's Point and statue up here there now this side.
What was it?
Roach's Point, it would be
this is
the mouth of the harbour, it's just starting to appear there now.
So the mouth of the harbour right there, Roach's Point, and this is where the Titanic would have left from close to here.
outside. See outside there? See
Uh,
the lighthouse and there's actually a ship coming in by it there now.
Yeah.
Can you see the
Oh, I
ship?
see the ship. Yeah.
So we now past that is where it was actually anchored.
So this is where the just past where you see that ship in the distance between the two islands there. That is where the Titanic was docked. What do you say? Moored, anchored. I'm always getting my confused with my words. So just right there between the two islands, that's where the Titanic was anchored. Before it went on its ill-fated journey across the North Atlantic, 3 days later it hit an iceberg. 1,500 people perished on its way to New York. I'm just doing a little video, but it's great. You helped me out there, it's fantastic.
You can see there's a lighthouse here as well.
Oh, the lighthouse.
This is a Spitbank lighthouse just
Yeah.
here.
Spitbank Lighthouse.
This Spitbank lighthouse is marking the bank just across here. Like, you can go directly across the White Islands now at this tide.
Yeah.
Because you go around.
Yeah.
The thing was when Queen Elizabeth came in 1849,
Yeah.
the captain of the ship at the time didn't realise it.
Yeah.
And they went right up onto the bank and went
Wow.
around. So she painted a picture of Cobh at the time.
This is
That was
Victoria.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's why that painting was done.
1849. Wow. This was the Spike Island was the largest Victorian prison
Yeah.
in Britain and Ireland, and the world, was it?
About 2,300
Yeah.
convicts in there. Wasn't
Yeah.
there?
So it was the largest in the world.
Yeah.
The largest prison in the world, folks, right there over on Spike Island.
The other headland that's just after opening up behind Spike, that's
Yeah.
Camden, Fort Mar. So it's a very fortified harbour. You know, it was strategically placed
Yeah.
there with everything outside.
Yeah.
Probably one of the most protected harbours.
There's a hen party going on downstairs, folks, here and on this boat. We're up top with the captain right here and his co-captain. We'll get more views of Cobh coming up here, different angle. As starting to rain just a little bit here. You can imagine what the views here would be like on a sunny day with blue skies. Fortunately it's cloudy today, which not much we can do about the weather, folks. But there you have it. Absolutely beautiful views. Alright folks, there you have it, the beautiful town of Cobh. As I say, the last port of call for the Titanic. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you folks.